Hello and welcome along to Barbecue Life UK. My name's Tom and today we're going to be smoking tomatoes and then we're going to make a passata.
Hi, welcome along to our year roundup here at Barbecue Life UK. My name's Tom. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, make sure you like the video, let me know what you think. So we've moved a lot on from that first little clip that I showed you, which was our first video of the year, our third video in total. I think my confidence has come on a lot more since. So the first thing that I want to say is that with the channel I'm always honest, so however the cook goes, if it doesn't work out right at the end, I'll make sure that I'll let you know that and give you an honest opinion. A key example of that is my curry video that I did earlier on this spring, and it didn't go very well. Video inside the house, which I don't like doing, so I've decided that I'm going to cut some of that out, bring you back out here and explain to you how I actually felt about the cook. So it didn't turn out how I wanted it to. That initial taste was very nice, but it got a bit bland over time. So trying to keep the channel as diverse as possible, I like to cover a lot of game recipes. So we've done things like partridge recently, I've done pheasant before, I've done pigeon, and I've done squirrel. So we're using 2 full baskets of lumpwood charcoal here. We're just going to place the squirrel directly on top for a direct cook. We're going to leave it bone side down for 5 minutes with the lid shut. These are always great fun to do. I like the challenge of having to research what I'm cooking with. Some of it I've eaten before, some of it I haven't. The squirrel was the first time I've tried it. So it's a great piece of fun to knock that video out for you guys. Another bit of the diversity is I like to cover vegan recipes, and this isn't just because my wife's a vegan, like some of you may know. I can't see why vegans are discriminated against generally within the barbecue community, so I like to put out decent recipes that are easy to follow so that you can cater for people with different dietary needs. I also enjoyed doing the vegan burger test. Not an unpleasant burger. How do you feel about it?
I loved it, they're my favourite that I've had so far. I really like that. I think that's a good substitute, personally.
Cool. So that video was great to have my wife come and join me behind the camera and give an honest opinion from a vegan's point of view, and then I can give an opinion from a full-on carnivore's point of view. So I want to talk about my favourite cook of the year. So my favourite cook of the year undoubtedly was the monster burger that I did for Halloween. It was just so much fun.
And stick in our googly eyes. What a great bit of fun this would be to make for the kids for Halloween.
So we're a year in now and I'm thoroughly enjoying running this channel. I've enjoyed the new equipment that we've got. So we bought the Weathermaster Touch in January and most of my videos have been recorded on that. We've just recently bought a flat top griddle. Opens me up to a lot more. This year I hope to get around to building my UDS. I've got all the stuff, just haven't had the time to actually do it. I'm also looking into maybe building some form of pizza oven. On the subject of that is the shack where everything's kept. So the shack is going to be built double the size, hopefully this spring, so to accommodate all of the new equipment. So lastly, but by no means least, is I want to thank everybody that's, even if you've only ever watched one of my videos, if this is your first video, I want to thank you. So because subscribers are currently sitting about 130, that's gradually crept up throughout the year. I've had a lot of support from other YouTubers, so Ryan over at Ryan G's Barbecue and Stuff, who's just recently revamped his channel to cover a lot more stuff, so I'm looking forward to keeping an eye on that this year. I'd like to thank Tommy over at the Gallery Backyard Barbecue over in America. We've done a collaboration a few weeks back and it was great fun to be able to work with someone like that. As always, I want to thank Marcus at Country Wood Smoke, but the most important people to thank are you. You're the people who are sitting here watching the videos week in, week out, and I couldn't do it without you watching it, so thank you very much. So lastly, I just want to say have a wonderful Christmas. The next video will be out in January, so I won't see you until after the New Year, so make sure you have a cracking New Year as well. Have a drink for me, and thank you very much for watching.